Hi everyone. Today we are going to explore why NumPy is essential when working with large datasets in Python. If you are interested in data science, machine learning, or any field that involves handling big datasets, then NumPy should be one of your go-to tools. NumPy is a powerful library in Python that allow us to work with large multi-dimensional arrays and matrices, along with a wide variety of mathematical functions. But why is it so useful? One key reason is speed. NumPy is significantly faster than the standard Python list or operations on large datasets, thanks to its underlying C and Fortran implementations. Let's look at a quick example to see the difference between using Python list and NumPy arrays. We will add two lists of 1 million elements each, first using plain Python and then using NumPy. First, I'm going to run the code with list, and here's the result. Now I'm going to run it with NumPy and you can see the difference. For this example, it's common to see that the NumPy version is several times faster than the list version. This is because NumPy is designed to handle operations in bulk, utilizing low-level optimizations, which make it perfect for large data. So here are the key takeaways on why NumPy is beneficial for larger datasets. First is efficiency. NumPy uses optimized C code for operations, making it faster for mathematical computations. Second is convenience. With built-in mathematical functions, NumPy simplifies coding and makes the code more readable. Last is scalability. NumPy can handle huge datasets and complex operations that would otherwise be slow with standard Python list. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you understand the power of NumPy when working with large data. Give it a try in your next project and you will see the difference in speed and efficiency. Like, share and subscribe to Aadhaarshila coding classes.